friends, Foxy Animal Gemmer here, and right now we're gonna see how much gems I got. So I'm just gonna get out of here, and we're gonna see how many gems I got because I want to see appreciably how many gems I have now to how many gems I'll have next time. Okay, we're good. We got a few gems, and what we do is to get this already. Let's go to the diamond shop. I'll take you to the diamond shop. Okay, anyways, let's go over here. Let's see some things that okay, this is the diamond shop. Sorry, you guys. What am I doing? I don't even have any gems. Okay. So let's go. I don't have any diamonds. I have gems. Okay, let's go to the sale. I think that I should get some other stuff. Okay, anyways, this is Jamamart clothing. See some stuff I should get. What stuff should I get, you guys? Anyway, let's turn this up. I blend in, or what did I get? Furniture. Oh, we have to play Overflow again, you guys, sooner. Let's go to my den. There we go, you guys. Look how good it looks. We gotta play Overflow again, you guys. Anyways, thank you for watching, and please click like and subscribe and like this video and comment down below, and bye.